nsire boutique nga naguze ebikadde by'omuntu samoya
arizo sente ziba bintu
20 naguze ebikadde so kandi bossred ine
ati ninye kozesa nyo
ati mujana ngamba director wa already yambara mjati manyo hati nkuza kushambara kureka business yanje nyuma bici nkani mpana kafuna ya metware 5-10 because nyunga ndine expense faza kana panisi zenu faza kana njwe faza mwinu echabiri chanje mazikeni ka miliyoni nkanda kejire nabyo kuchakara mwinu nkandi yawo so mujana atatu nomanya ni kwa 1.2 akana shoro honko mutego ni kwa 1 kamwabiri rukabari. So I went to
ati manyotandikire kuziri izina izina litanditse kuba barabanyabuzari batandika
bija baza kushaba matokwe nje no bakabata kumubandi ko batinduko. So what I did abo ujya mu mang family na rotate ngira ari nyenye ngati nyine ndijo. So I went to Okoko Hina Community Hospital. I bought a house, a 4-bedroom house. Na mayangunyo Flavia ekayanje na because father ya feed tata timwini banye it's me na janta hateje niyo kayanje orena nda kuntas na kujanta hiza
okwege muto kushweba ninga kutasha
okumanya of that
wewe mnongo rukundo bari nkore media Beazine ZDJ Celeb wambara nakwatira nkaburijo nizo barya mande shani munana zenyini kandi tujana exclusive with I myself Beazine ZDJ Celeb wambara no yari nkore media kandi target yitu y'abantu bitukoreta n'abantu bari prominent abantu abine impact our society our community abantu abine kibari kibakozeho kugira inspiring ni to wari ko tugire kinde kitwaba otakaye tugira ari nkore media kandi shangwe mu rembo rwambara ano ya ahanyu kashaka ne services nyingi zo kubone kufuna kandi bano twenda no basa kutushikirira takaye bwa kansara obakweta honorable dio musaga ninga shorona de bataringa ya nabaruho abantu barwampara bamwizi sub county get ready for him and is there for you erizoba nabaretera omucyarakazi n'omucyarakazi wa mani munonga media personality ni roya n'omweshongozi na motivational speaker, so she is a full package if I may say. Kandi twaga ko mbyito personal life personal, she's my aunt. Thank you, let's come back, stay tuned. Mbufunze nakwatira
Ninya nacho
nakushemererwa
ninya nachira my son
bamusi abagize bawe arabanywana bawe
to all viewers aba Ankole Media n'abakunda kandi n'abashemera mubare kunkunda mubare kukunda my son and of course regards to DM Swaga Councillor yoni banda kwa kuba councillor bya DM Swaga sigara mu town
byona
najana nabyo
na bataringa DM Swaga.
So DM Swaga is a good guy bonu obare kuntekatekaho nka Beazine kandi obare kuntekatekaho nka Ankole Media to think about me. It's really a privilege.
I know chinkumanya ati nkanye wamenyerewe chori these guys who are watching us aba muntu batureba nibetaga kuba nibamana bo ekinkumanya kace kinkumanya ukari anyway twakwacira Flavia Flavia ndenda kumanya Flavia ukazabwa ugoza roho bakakubatiza Flavia.
Yes
umukanisa
yes bakambatiza mpirirwe Flavia Nyakato na naguba mbatiza mu church izimpiriro Flavia
Nyakato kitumanga bubine kuba bari baba.
Exactly. So Nyakato likija nkizi no shemekwaje because I'm a twin. Yes wakati barari mbatiza.
So you're a twin.
I'm a twin.
Biologically you're a twin.
I'm a twin.
Hey, where is your sister, your brother?
Rahanga kamweta akamtwara.
Oh, sorry. Flavia mpiribwa zabwa.
Thank you Beazine. Flavia mpirirwe nazarwa district eyisinjiro ahi bakweta Masha omukyalo ekyo barikweta Rwetango
abanyisingiro tune mwarawani so Rwetango isingiro Masha niyo mpirirwe yazariwe mpirwa ejo azarwa mukaki
mpirirwe azarwa omushaija oba bimeta Buteje Steven Oridalet azarwa omukazi oba bimbeta Kyokunda Jennifer nawe Oridalet. Yes.
This is so sad.
Yeah.
The twin is no more.
The parents
nowhere to be seen.
But luckily enough we have Flavia.
But we have Flavia. That's the most important.
And in fact Flavia is a component of all of them.
Oh. Wow. So we focus up on mpwirirwe though the parents are not there. Azabu mkwelima abana ninga.
Story of Flavia is tricky. Omunda ya mami na daddy I am alone.
You're alone.
Yes. But my mother I have another one. So I have my half 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Yogaro.
Baruho, but from different fathers. Yes. It so happened Jango, she left us when we were still young. I hear at 4 months. 4 months.
4 months.
Yes. Mommy left home because of Maka, and she was still a very young girl. So she later got married, and I unfortunately I never saw her until she died.
Didn't say your mom? Okaza kumanya yaki.
Akanda kafankuziti. She died 2010.
Recently.
Konganga banta.
So since she left home,
tindagarukire kumureba. In fact beyanzi n'abakutureba nyowe ngakurana imango omuntu nazarwa omuziro my father is my father and my mother at the same time. So I thought maybe you can choose to have omukazi ninga washaraho zarutine mukazi, because my whole life nkaba ntakarebaga omuntu wakweta mama I vocabulary.
So kuyagenzere daddy
tarashwire ndijo mukazi because akana nda kutukuza. Yes. Akabana nda mostly me I remained alone. So nkaba ndi amagaraga dad munonga. He loved me so much. So he never wanted to see me when suffering or crying. Yeah. So he sacrificed a lot. But he was like, I cannot marry omukazi wokuteganisa omwana wanje. Nahirirwe yasigire, I will take care of her. He used to call me Embundi Yanje. That was my nickname at home. My father kananyete Embundi Yanje. I didn't know what Embundi meant by that time. Muni kanda kumoga ngo bwembundi. Konka na hate binkora byone byo kumanya nimbukora because of my father. I believe that dead are not dead. Kwako bariyoko na ndeba, he's proud na mangu indeed ndiye mbundi. So nikwe na president nakura ndi umwana omwe nakura na daddy
ondija kakurgaho kiri mutera siti
umumanya tingu mwishika mto gwanje. But I hear she was there. Yes. Niwankaza kukora nashanga nyine daddy. Twembi nitwara mu kitanda kimwe na nyozya na ntwara hishomero na ntekera akata kumara kuteka. So akaronda abakozi nkabimisaba abakozi binjo muka. Because I was stubborn.
Because embundu yanje yagira ngo gogo
yanyizya nota. So nkaba nkaba ndi stubborn, nkaba ninshiisha nk'abaana boona babatese okuba kuba bati. Nkanshiisha. I used to have an animal that was my friend. Nokugira ngu hati nakuzire nazitiina but enjangu zikaziba ziri banywani banje. Haza enjangu nibazibira abaana hati nyo nkanzikwata nza nazo mu kitanda. So omukozi yankwataho akabinga enjangu yanje omurimo niguba gwaho. So regardless yanansaving. So my father was there, omwami Stephen ahumura omu Busingye up to 7 years. Nabwe nkankiri muto konka because he was someone ari close nanye tine kinta kwishika byone byabire. So at 7 months yandugaho. At 7 years yandugaho. Unfortunately dada katine nyina.
Rabia story yegumire.
Yeah. Dada katine nyina. Aza ni mpuranishemerwa na nimpereze story because if you meet me now, you just meet omwana bi kurugo mu welo family plan the kid.
We meet plan the kid.
Exactly. So I feel so happy naba ni empowering all this out. So my father died akaba in a step mom way.
Just young innocent you.
Abokuba kabanjume ebintu. My mother was from Mporo Ntungamo. So akabanjume ebintu omuhoro kazi Nyarwanda. That woman she is still tribalistic and very evil.
What you?
Yes. So she mistreated me. Kurugo muri yari soft life ya daddy. She mistreated me so much. The death. Tarampire chance in just months nkaba natandikire kushoberwa icyo gukora. Aha umwaka ubwo yamushanjo mu daddy yaferiremo nkaba nindara ha kituru cha daddy mweta because the pain was too much. Ndikumanya ngo is just there because nkamureba hi bamutire so nkabanza yumujya kuka daddy things are hard on me.
Ati ukoma yantara
kama nampura mweta so bakinshanga ho bantera ngo ndiyo ni nyumse muzumu. Nshoberwa my father can't be omuzimu none omuzimu kandi amuchikumanya.
Is my dad.
Is my dad. Mukamutaha nkamureba. I have to go there mugambire. Konka all was in vain. So ekina akozire nkaba ndi center naba okuri center naba nchimanyiso ku okurisa buri izoba.
Okurisa buri izoba.
Yes, because my father
every day.
My father was so poor. It was a poor family. Konka my father was a hard working guy. So arukuza kufa akansigira ente 35. Izuba hatiro mu katabo. Hati we were saying at least. Akansigira ente 35 yansigire bungo bina byitaka. Because I was the only child.
The only child he had.
So buri kimweche kikabye cyanje. So kuyahereze kwabangira ngo toyine mukoza. Onye kuri sente zawe. Remember dada akabamvuga ntwara yishomera ijanya kira nkomere ntanda. So ebyo byo nabikara
byarugo
natanga kutura na that step grandmom. So nkabandisa ntasya nayega kama at 7 years when tera kashano reba kana kimyaka mushanjo kakwigana
and make matters worth a girl.
So nayega kama konga nkabanga kama nagobaga nyuma. So what I did nayega kugoba okugoba nikimanyiso konkente omurimo rw'abarisi. So kunabeire ngenda ndisize because I was very sure nobundi atasye tubakuza kumpa amata. So nkaronda mente naje nywana kabanye kamera mukano. Nyeri kamera ninga njonka like konka normally. Yes. Kandi ente waje nywene ni nkomuntu teine chekukora. So ninjirara hanga kaja taka nakashoberwa. So I lived in that life nazo mwaka gwa 8. Kunabe ni mkomo
no shoma
ndakushoma ndikurisa
kuya daddy kuya fira
za kuri sente zasho. Yes. so kunabe nahise emyaka 8 kitari nyeba hijayo anti wabe nazarwa na mami nakugira ngo kandi akarebaga ikintu cyo kwita mami nkaba nima yangu dada kanzara wenka utambuza hao
abandi tokumanya
because nyowe kandi akayogo mu
muzire wanje ni tata
omushija yenda nazara wenka tine mukazi so niko kunabe nijima so hijayo mukazi wabari sister wa my mother yashaba kwangarura mu ishomero bambya gucana utsige wamugurira ibitabo yabingura nagaruko mu ishomero kunargira ishomero one day ubu kandi yo nizo mu mwaka gwa mwenda
ubwo kore nko mcyakandi
hati uwo mwana w'imyaka 8 ari kushoka kwa
pitu
ngane ncanditse karama
ayibande
so nagaruko mu ishomero kunargireyo tukaba twine enkoro oburere
ebyo
nkoko hariho ebikopo so omuculture yitu ariyo ebintu babyeta enkoro ninga oburere obu mbwe niko ebyanzi obundi ebyanzi okabimanya konka hati biri ebyanzi byo nebyo biterero biriya byo ni kalbash bereko konka nubuce
ninga nibyo bishabo
ate chabone cyangwa so akana ke chabo n'enkoro so akana ke chaba kace nekirere bena kace munonga n'enkoro y'umwana yo kunyisa so what happened kunargira ishomero uyu mwana n'enkoro ye nashanga umwanja amategatarumu namubuza kaka amateganje kagatarumu so what she did akanyetsiza so because I was already traumatized akayantrain nje kumangu nana aronda kuntera hata na mangu hata ariyo nanda kuntera na kwata kadomora naza izo kunargireyo sinjiro hariye biti nibabiyete minyamahwa rugumire babitecese so kunizire yacinchimitsi yacintera abuso arahaka kojo karubona wakareba arahaka kojo yes so yantere staha mutwe nganye kore akadomora so nakarekora hato ahansi bakani bashaturira henku zeminyamahwa so innocently narubate kiti so kunarubasire kiti cyantahamu omukigeri na hati nkojo njijo nogereba
ekakutaho mukigera
yes so cyantaha hata nacho batanambyana kaka nte kiti cyancumuta hati yari kuretse yabirayi no mu ngaro yakwata akaguru kanje yacatiye
sorry
cyatahamu I was a kid, I was naive kanta kuma what next so okushoma kwagarukiraho because nkanda kwasa kuzayishomero
kiriyo mukwanditse karamu that is P2 and B
tobona azo mpifirire kauza na tobona akora konkara hanga no munyambabazi nkabanye n'obwenje beyanzine omukirasi nobu nabire shoma hotamu omutamu nashoma mu weeks 2 nkamba ndiyo wakashata so mani ninja mukama kaja kankwecho tubenjira ngwantu kuseving so nareka kushoma hati omukirasi ina benishomera akarumwana mu mutabya mucana hata churo ubisinje so nyina akabari chairman PTA bando no mushomero nabura you people who are watching just ahorebe ngo hagire cy'abantu bakunotsingira in your absence so bando no mushomero nabura that chairman PTA karne bawitija kundonda yanshange kitishunzere umukigere yacihamu yangira ngo unyijenze gukora bwa house girl kurera umwana wo umuhara by that time bamwita Yvonne by that time akari umushomesa wa Matters primary
anuye
ahahambara so namugira nagamwe mkwikunyoti nkaba house girl nkaba ndyo moroko nkanye na Mario
otobwa house girl nobi
ndahate obwa house girl tinko bukora namjanti nyonyenda kushoma so kuna mzee unyenda kushoma yateka tekaja tatu nyoka ndiye fa kazi kantine sente kushome sente kuyabira yawo yayishuka yaja tara abantu babeta bafaza ati nibayamba abana nk'imwe. Wa Protestants abafather n'abakristo namjandu n'abacabo ati bakuzara 8 9 hata obo 9 years piveri ati bakuzara twamba yamba abana nk'imwe. Yantora in brief yantwara abafather umufather wo bakamwita Father Kalenzi
akari yo muri Mbara
akaba ari Mukunjiro parish Isinjiro. So yantwarayo, and in brief my life changed. Natorokomuka, they never looked for me because nkaba yamba
akurwayo toragambere umuntu
apana nkaba nyine skirt cha round bacingabira caci. So njo cyakoze nka case ye bitabu yanje because utabona bibi bibiri bugige nabenyine. Twaza Buhungiro parish natandika kutura n'abafather, life changed, naza St Helens. Yes. So naza St Helens Mbara, Nyamitanga, Nashoma na Marapi 7. Nijanye ne 5 aggregates.
God is good.
God is good. Naza na bantu arabukanga secondary because akaba natwara hiyabira bayine access.
Ya kumanya na.
Bukanga secondary kuna bena ko musini yatu bantu ara Cecilia Girls. St Cecilia Kitabi. Kuna be mazire senior 3. Father yangira ngutugaruke yo kureba abo witu. Abisinjiro. Yeah. My dear friend kuna je kwikayo nkashanga batuza abandi.
Eketachiro.
These people sold off everything. Yona nyonga shanga bataka abantu bajya ngwimwe ngo mukuronda bamara imyaka mingi bafurukire ngushubakaza ngo bakazana banice nkwaze bacankwazi niyo bagira. So from that time nkaba street, you may call me Bushinje street kid hano janga ndara street konga mweno
ukasigaroriwe
ndi nyowe ndio mwanya ba mama tinkamanye omba daddy bangurzo mwitaka bajenda. So kasigara ndi
asigara Flavia mpirirwe
but God is great. Na heza senior 4 nazo mu 11 bantu ara St Mary's Kitende nakora 19 that time that we are 20.
Yeah.
So kamwe kaka kando wishe butaka konka nagumzamu father yaguma na mpera omuvaka ya senior 6 nubwo natungo mu rumo rwa media for the first time.
Hold on, wewe bari munongano tutureba ari nkore media turumuntu kuza mu side ejo ya media Flavia ya rugiraho yona story background story twajihurira in brief tugarukane bikukiraho. Stay tuned. Chire Flavia kandi murezi wito murunje wa Nkore Media TV nimba kondra chimwenyo Beazini ZDJ nimbijusia Made in Mbara is coming back big and better. Utakayebwa every single Monday kandi mbijusha wabo ryakwe uri nkunzi ya music uri artist urwo kubanza ntuza kuba premieringa video emwe nunji munonga erabereho erikora kurunji ntuje premieringa kandi umwanya umusiyani interface hub no turabe ntudukorera Made in Mbara, DJ Alberto, Mac DJ, DJ Jose, Wakaima, Shukura, Nice Man, I myself, Nkore Media team yona neriho, bamani ba anti banjaba babaruho ba Flavia n'abandi bona. Great Nkore Musicians Association is part of this. N'abandi bona Made in Mbara is coming back big and better. Make sure that you be part of this every single Monday. See you. Back to you, Flavia. Senior 6 utakajiraho muri mugu kubanza gwa media uri umuvaka yawe.
Yes.
Abo wamanuka wabahurizeho toka babwine bazo media yo mwana wa senior 6 yagizama atabandi bashomere babuziremere.
I think it was God from day one. Nkaba mpereze senior 6 naba made mwene umugore made
yeah
yes, my cousin nakana ashwero wachiruhura so nakwata katim na banu bakwata kwata katim ene unashwara made so nazayo kunajireyo someone admired me.
A
he of course.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
So he was like, oh, that Kagala. I think I was Njab by that time ngan maybe cute because if I can remember hatunkuzire by that time I was 21. So 21.
Which year was that?
2016.
Yeah, what?
So 2016, someone admired me and approached me.
Okay.
So kwenye approaching jire yambuza nokola ki namjira mpirize sinya 6. So oriundi jo uyabira ine yamja muntu mpera that guy akaine radio station yabe nakola yacha muntu mumpera umwana wanje ogumurmu hata bamja mushowa sinya 6 tumuheguwa nko kana basa kushoma amahuri gorjungu ngwayijaze kushoma amahuri gorjungu nyowe nkabanta teka gakora na radio nkabanta kemeraga no mu studio mwenu nkabanta
mwenu magaraga bya radio takaba
irfa mwenu kose inashomere cyo kide kinabenye gomba from day one. I wanted to be a lawyer, so kunge bya media
yeah.
So manyaka sheshe tindahanyo ndarumbujenya because mbubantemire pass kuba asesire nzaha radio age practicing amahurire tikumanya kubyagenze ngitakubasa gashoma ngo wabira editor jat mwe nogu na itenga training y'amana munonga abo kubana flow yeye tikuza mu mahurire ngo mbasho jungu rwayanga ngo junga rwine nkukataka gashoma ngo mwenu hata ko wabire batakwenda disappointing ngo wabira ndesere mshana tumwe program ya mid morning so wampa program by that time bakamba je tumukozi from shahina tshaha mushanje mchapa hata banda muno ndijo mushije in just 2 weeks bakaba jimpire nyenga ndukushomana news briefs zorjungu so nasho kuna benasi ahaneza ashatu another big radio station in Mbarara now this time was that time ekeri churuhora
breaker chokeri radio
ekeri radio 5
yeah.
So my first kureba muzindaronti ekeri radio 5 so kuna bemperezeho 3 months in fact ndikuzo mukwezi kwa kishatu another big radio station in Mbarara spotted me
abanyambaraza bahakwire munonga radio 5 tinareba akubana kanuzire nkamwine wayamba bakamwiya
so baija bangira ngo baronda my voice nanye director nwanyerondire wa radio yeje yambara anje ati ninyendo muntu aterira kandi yo nkwenda mjamanyo tinshomere I was very open
nyu bya radio
tinshomere kandi mazima nyenda gunza mukushoma ati nyowe timfa yobo komero P7 as long as you're coming with your voice I am taking you radio 5 bakambamba ekyabiri
azokatandikira sente
ziri nyingi
omwana wa senior 6
so that guy gave me 900,000
otinyoti nguma
nkamujira obwe efuzi zimanya kuri omeza brankana atandikire boutique ngana guzire bikade byo mu nsamoya
adizo sente ziba bintu
20 naguzire bikade so kandi boss red ine
ati ninye kozesanyo
ati mujira ngamba director wa radio yambara mjati manyo hati nkuza kushambara kureka business yanje nyuma bici nkani mpana kafuna na metware 5-10 because nyunga ndine expense faza kana panisi zeni faza kana anjwe faza mwinu ecyabiri cyanje mazimukeni ka miliyoni nkanda kejire nabyo kucakara mwinu nkandi yawo so mujana atatu no manya ni nkwa 1.2 akana shoro honko mutego ni nkwa 1 kamwabiri rukaba ryo rwa kabiri anje atorwa katano nyendo tandike kuwa kuboriyo kagumarshere
nimbasa no kusigayo boutique
indidi nkagisiga nkaja tate bya boutique byehwe kandi akasiga yazimpa eze myeze 2
that very dogwa ku meet
orwa kabiri akampereza sente ze myeze 1.2 times
2.4
nija nyunka ntakarebagana mutwari mu ngaro zanje oyirozeza 20 za ready so ni omwazi yo nija naza Mbarara bandambuzo rwa kashatu orwakana nagarikarshere nahandika omwana nwo mwiro mu ya resigning najenda
wa resigning
bambuza ngo habaho kina bajya nagenda kushoma orwa katanu nkaba ndi already
Oriya
and gito yanje natandika mu big show natunga mu challenges abakubimamba bimanya morning show abayimba gikora bakani banzarawa anidi wa right ba nyonga ndakumanya ngo bashumye umuzinda rero gamba ko rugamransi yemeza mwene bityo
hariya ukota kuza wako
nyowe nkandi ni
mambo yegera
kuno mu meza rero bashumya ka federal nyonci baningamba ngambirokwe Ruhanga yabireba they pushed me to Ebaraha program
bakwiya
bambe yanje independent kugasha 5 kusasha 8 Flavia yamera
yaba
Flavia yamera mbarra yanyakira district zanyakira Flavia yamera in of course
kirasi yona ya journalism
notinga dusamagana mbwena bakutureba don't be disappointed. I usually see people sending me messages, you are my role model, I'm joining journalism because of you. My dear, me I am not a journalist. Na hata banko sa interview ya journalism ina kintu mazima tubiho kandi mangutine na kinkuyam so Ruhanga yanje rembabazi nahumurka okumurka kwahika nagabandi yandije. Can you imagine buri wa katano bakabampereza sente za transport
buri wa katano bakweza kuza
ahandi gitaho kureba ecetano mwene bakabane bankunda enkunde y'intakumanya
washoma
nashoma rote nashoma na journalism kandi nabendiyo mu media
babi oja ntona ninyenda ndebe school fees okodiha
faza kaguma na mpera konka yampekira juro sente ziba kumpa kuguma ni accountability yazo.
Okay.
So I still have my aunt na that time akabariyo aunt Kanywani na atura kora noryo nyowe nkanta kumakwe bicira sente.
Okay.
Because nkanta kumane cyo kuzikozesa so kuba bampo mushara zitwara aunt kora noryo iwe niwo kumanya. So aunt Kanywani akangura polotsi emyakena eyinaheriza university nkabanyine 9 full polots umurukora noryo.
Watereva
9
that's good
polots mwenda omurukora noryo
bararasite
haza kwa noryo ya hihi utakagamba za rwo buyenje zanga hihi 9 polots nyowe mukaza akabazigura bana mwe genuine people are still alive.
Mbanya buzare bawe ntereba koko niwe yabandize kuba genuine
nawe mat twine buzare buryaho just an aunt.
Okay.
So her husband I know buzari na kakoro kuzara mami so karimkako ngoko mbwenu ka roundabout so konka that woman she is my hero. So akangura plots ndiku graduatinga nkabanyine 9 plots omu covid.
Wow.
So naheza kushoma nchiriyandi chitomanya nyonka shoma ndiandi chito nagumande chito paka
bakaba kukiriza ugendo shoma
nkangore byanje na internship bakande kanaje nakandi bakaba nshashura muri tinyine cyangwa sagamba rudindi
uko shoma maybe weekend.
Yes na ujanguru wakatano bakaba pa transport. So nkabanyine tutakuro mutwe nkavisitinga ebitabo nkehereza time yo kushoma because abantu bashoma full time nyoti kushoma full time kandi ndi hakose gumire
kandi kose name.
Yes kandi nemwe kandi gumire kandi ndi sponsorship yo mufari so
you don't need to disappoint him.
Exactly. So in 2020 COVID first phase year it took my father.
Oh, sorry.
It took my father hato musinaguma munyenga. But remember I had money. Nkabanyine sente nkabanyine polotsi mwene nkanyine sente because nkangoroto numinka mwene abo kubanga kumakuzichakaza so nkaba kunabengwata sente mbuza anti ntatu nkoreke atabari yo buzu bogura mwene ntaka kwatura mushara gukagwa gwine budget ebikuza gugura.
Okay.
So narwaza father aha divine father yafa na muzika nasigara omunsi kunabire mpereze ku muzika 2021 abantu banje barabagabirwa baguriza itaka. My relatives now bakabani bashumbo mu nte z'abantu omuri Kyamugorane.
Abaguriza itaka?
Yes. My step grandmother who sold off my land and took off my cows. Ahi yagire bikashoba.
Akariyo mpaka sinawe.
Bikashoba. Ngwa mataka gabgana nembeho. They said that mwenu noshana gagara munko fere. So bakagura itaka eriyabire ryo mu cyapa samoya cyabandi. So obwire kubwakire baba bingamo bahoza entezi babe batwire zawo bahoza bargaho babasinga barugayo batine kibina. So kubagarukire 2021 me I was owning 9 plots in Koranoria, driving a Harrier new model UBB mbachumanya.
Yeah.
I was living a very wonderful fantasy life.
Good life.
So they came. I wanted to join the army. Reason, I don't mind. In fact, nkahandika wakamba train njira kacheka. Nahandika kutindajire. Someone discouraged me and jango inamagara machino. So, my reason to join the army, kabani yenda kutunga pistol. Yes.
Kanda tawo ajero mutimo gwa.
So nkabanye nda kutunga pistol nkabaronda.
Ronda barabaguriza itaka ryawe.
Tukaganira je nyine pistol. So happy bakija nabareba ntine pistol kandi nabareba ntakwetenga no kugira cyo nabakora because bakabarukubi. Konka ndi kubanga. So omutima gwanje ngwangira ngo mukikoro jo mwete omuhe lift omutwaro umutawuni. No macha mgora no shumira Desta hasa that time omwanda kagurumbe munonga gwine bina kurga koranze. So omutima gwanje nje muto motoka kunda chaho mutomezi. So ebyo nankambi take. But fun enough I sat down na ijuka my father how he used to love that woman, and to trust that woman regardless of whatever she did to me. Naishkang my father kana nyete mbundi yanje. Naye was I have a degree. Ndise ndio media nindunda ka what cake. Ninyevuga. Nyina matako murumbara. Najano. Eki nakweberwaho enyuma obo bururu bwisinjiro. Baumana MP.
21.
Nkaja ntinyona kwesinga. Naye simba.
Honorable Flavia.
Nazayo naronda karuru obukireya yabira karumu. Yes.
Honorable Flavia.
It was me, Claire, Sarah na Justine. Nabanda bayobaro. So nakaza mukuna akajire mbona mukamogu.
Hakuna ntakama.
Kuna karumu. I had a friend. Madam Moreka Mukama. Akaba yetsimbire Kazo. That time akali bamwita PS wa president.
Yes.
Ogomundoko wa president. So yangira ati by'ubururu birjemo. Ohereze kushoma you can get a good job.
Yeah.
My godfather akaba ni Honorable Bright Rwamira. Omukaruru.
Okay.
Godfather omukaruru. So yangira tatu mwana oyine bikonji abo bantu toine hora barabi konganyonkanyi n'abanyacha abantu banje background ndine sente konganyi n'abantu banje
akaruru ko tuzira
konganyi n'abantu abambanyicheza muningore barahanyi sorovinjire bizubyabo. So something happened and through my advisors n'abantu abariyo abambanshidinga I managed to get 200 million.
Wow.
And when I got that money, remember when Abazari wanje bakawatandikire kwisha. So I went to
atumanyo tandikire kuziri izina litanditse kuba barabanyabuzari batandika
bija baza kushaba amatokwe nje no bakawata kumubandi ko batinduko. So what I did, abo ujya mu mang family ne rotate ngira ari nyenye ngati nyine ndijo. So I went to Okoko hii na community hospital. I bought a house, a 4-bedroom house. Na mayangu nyowo Flavia eka yanje na because father yafid tata timwini banye it's me naja ntateje niyo kayanje orena ndakuntaza nakwija ntahiza
okwege muto kushweba ninga kutasha
okumanya of that nyanti nyowe orena nyenda nakushanga omukashu kanjomo so kunaize kutunga enju hati naguza ziriya plots naguza motoka. I went to Kazo district in a place called Burunga, in a place called Shebashebe. I bought a 14-acre land.
14-acre land. Acres
ikumina. So I shifted these people. Abuna benyenda kwita na nkabafura na batwara mu itaka nabombecara mwenju beyanzini tuja kutunga mwanya tuzeyo by that time nkaronde cyapa na bito mazina ganje na abatwara hati bineka nimbarebera abagurize byanje abagurize bya daddy I picked them abantu binji ntibakimanya hera. In fact people said omukikuroga kakuroga, but it's not like that. I wanted okukora je nkaboreka ngunarahanga nakora. So for now I own 14 acres of land. I have my home in town. No kuja ngati tura mu town, but when I'm in Mbarara I am in my own house. A 4-bedroom house at my age. Omuntu nabaza kuchireba nkachiche but me hariya hihi na community hospital. So naharara mu abana ba LDC. So at my age nashanga nyekorire bintu ebyo omukutarukankan kwanje tinkashwerwaga ngo nibe ibintu byo mushira ngo byo natandikireho. No one can really criticize me atobugiga wayina kabwiba beyanzini
wajira ngo tokashwerubaye n'abantu abarashoberwe.
So wabagumira tukurati of course can no kandi kuna jiro media bampa program eri I don't know bampa program eri complicated.
Nanye ndakubuza izina Kajuma y'irya radio.
Yes, so izina Kajuma nahereze gura poro nahereze gurebyo ndiyo mwana w'umushiki ndikwekunda konka nkabantarebo visible. My visibility kugira ngo ndebe was hard. Hazana hakajuma katandikire. So kunatandikire kore baraha abantu bagira ebishano byabo mu mitwe yabo.
Ukorera abantu bine bishane bafira.
Yes, because nkatandika kore baraha nyine myaka 2 naguma. That was 2016. So na kore baraha up to now I am on my 3rd floor now. I am old. So wabara from 2016 up to now you will know nkazarwari nka so ati ndiyo mukazi mukuru.
Yeah.
But that time ichikankani nshoma nkabire nabirendia university kunkamwe nabo kushoma ninyosha niko nagire ndiyo mu university ndi up to now. So akajuma program yebarha neyenaku abakwa barajurire neyamaka omushija mbinjiro mu kibanja omukazi manya kozireki mwene neyenaku. So nyowo munsi ya buriju nindi no bujuma
tablets.
Yes, as izina ryanje Kajuma, people think it's a fruit. It is a tablet. The really meaning is a tablet. So why nyowo kinte kikuntamo munsomu no kumera Kajuma nobwe ongera ngo bantere bukatu onkore byo kwenda byona but not a tablet. Nanare bantu bujuma ni mbakubi otambuka kwa karkapirton as long as nakajuma nyonjo kanje netera. So kuna hashtamere nateekateeka omumaka ni kintu ki ekinakugerageranisa n'okugumisiriza because amaka nigabisibaho okugumisiriza nanya life yanjye ari narabiremu otajya nko kuturomba faza cyangwa it is not simple it is another life yo mu kigo cy'abafather is totally different from this life y'umukureba hariyo kakungu hariyo rwari hariyo
cyatiri nk'ecome
niwe mfata gaye come cyaguma yesu nunje
oyero
konga
oyero kugira ngo mucome yo
so nako nogumisiriza so nkabantura ningambira bakazi mugumisirize otanagaha abana aha bonke nabenja ngo otanagaha abana nkabamanye ngo je sinabirenye nahambira urwanje ezizira habwa mawe kunaga.
Okay.
That is why I fight for families. That is why n'abandi yo program I will beg you and request you not to leave your home, because I know if you leave your family what will happen to your children, because I know what happened to me.
Yeah.
So nagumaningambira abantu okugumisiriza nashanga okugumisiriza nimbasa kukitaringa nkakajuma. So wahura ningamba kajuma mera kajuma nimba nigumanyisa ngo gumisiriza obundi rekarenga. That's how akajuma came up. Abantu bakunda kajuma ni nsima mukama aba abantu kukunda Beyonce. People have loved me. I leave this station, I go to another station, they follow me. I leave that station, I go to another station, people follow me. Tinka shabaga murumo kandi tubakambingaga. Wire bono bunamaro field.
Media so far Flavia kora digital ukakoraho ni
akora hand digital emyaka kuruge 2016 17 18 19 emyaka mukaga narugaho natungo mu muntu wa Uganda Human Rights Commission. In fact nubwo nazo field yanje
aho waza nazo muroto chawe
nyine tubabi nazo mulo 2022 na tanka koze mshango ya GBV, gender based violence under UHRC. Kunabire ndiyo nijana mind yo kujya nkonka kundu bantacho media abo bantu barwambanye ndabaryanyaye
ubukoryo ori practicing
law
still working on already.
Yes, ibanda
ibanda
kandi agira ka radio. So natandika NGO yo kurwanisa ubutabanko bw'umaka. Because abantu banje nabombekire hatkundu basigaho bari yakora natandika that NGO, domestic violence, legal aid services, counseling and guidance nebindi. Ndukwe na mezirento up to here where I am. Nakora ho na Rugahiraka, nakora na Sky Television, ndugera ha Sky Television obwahati rahangambire imbabazi. I work with Lit TV, Lit.
Kandi hatoryo mukama
rahangambire imbabazi
hatoryo mugi
rahangambire hazo mbyafayo ori umuntu wabire nashumye muzindaro ahandi
ano ubakoreta
ubandeta ndogo owabire nayanga muntagamba. He's under my supervision now.
That's serious.
Yes.
Nibyo kuba nimbagambira.
He's under my supervision. I tell him to do this. I tell him to don't do this and takurenga.
Kandi we turashomere mahurire.
Kandi we aina degree mahurire.
So nibyo binyon Beyazine ZDJ Cerebu wambara jini kore media kandi tubakundira kimwe nshango murembo rwambara is doing this show, and of course off savage ningash Asmana abadiye nyuma ya kamera batakaye bwa nakora graphics zakatawa no mwana ogwe graphics nazicenga kazishuma takamuzanira and
looks humble.
Nasa nurogo mwana rikari so ati ntonda turebe enjerei your practicing amuro ukakora mu media right now ni mtekateka nti na road ningashi emirimo yongire side za zo mahurire zo media about if you supervising workers in Jumasanti nemirimo yongire. How do you balance those two things?
I think omukutandika na kugira ngo I don't have my mother, I don't have my father, I don't have my siblings. but I think I'm a component of them. Ruhanga
Yeah.
akandeba yampa. I think I'm abnormal. I don't think I'm a normal person.
You're normal, please.
I think I have 6 senses. Normal muntu normal 9 and 5. But nanye hino gukora ebintu nchishitama kaja ntukonkaje aha narabahonda. I want to tell you that my bosses are proud of me because I don't serve them half-baked thing.
Yeah.
Hinene chakweba I joined the music.
Ati niyo tuwatura umuntu.
Aha. So I am a lawyer. Kuna atandikire I'm a lawyer by profession, but so passionate about media.
Yeah.
Amagara ganje n'ebiteekateeko byanje n'omubiri gwanje n'ebyanje byona nebikunda media.
Media. Yes.
Mwenu in fact wandeetera emirimo ebiri okanje otubaroya ninga gumu media nikujja ngu mwenu otategana I go with B. Ndio media. I love media so much. So ekintu kyona ekindebire byanzino wakikunda n'okiperfectinga. So how do I do law? Wabo ino mushango and you reach me because I have an NGO, I hindi attached.
Yeah.
I am the CEO.
Yeah.
But I have manpower. Ndiya but offices are open and they are working. We have main office in Rubirizi, another one in Ibanda. In Rubirizi, I have 11 people. In Ibanda, I have 30. And they are working.
Wow.
So I don't need to be there. I don't go with offices. Me, I go as Flavia. Because I don't like Nkakura Nimbona. I don't want anything to do with my peace.
You don't want something
to stress.
No
way I am ever smiling. I think no talk about an income relationship. This love relationship. And you tamper with my peace. It marks the end of us. Because there is nothing I treasure. Because I treasure peace. Ebindi byona nkakura ntine businje nkakura nindira nkakura nyine naku nakura ndyo mworo. So now I can also buy a cup of tea.
Yeah.
I can also when I think when omuntu kumanyira omubusinje bwanje. So I'm trying to balance.
Wow. Mwebare munonga bakutureba ari Nkore Media TV kandi inclusion Beyazine DJ Serebu Wambara. This is exclusive Neruho Monday shamunana zihango takayebwa irizoba ryenyine Made in Mbara is coming back and starting back big and better. Hariya interface hub between DJ Alberto, Jose DJ, Mark DJ, Mr. Showtime, Iceman DJ, Shukran MC Wakaima nabandi bona tubuganire hariya interface hub Nkore Made in Mbara, and this is for the betterment of our industry. We play over 70% Western Ugandan music. Don't forget, every last Monday of the month we'll be having Kasavu Kanyama artists performing, but for every Monday we'll be premiering videos and playing your music. No inekuija okasitama ukaenjoyinga music yawe kandi leta business yawe orange nitu hano yari Nkore Media mnonga program age neruha bwanyu tune services nyinjo ryoko in music yawe. You want to be copyrighted kugira nti music yawe difunemu content yawe ori artist ebe copyrighted come through Honorable D Muswaga itutuchamweta D Muswaga aboko bamwite Ronald abarwa parakuza kwesimu oyeje kuno then ekintu tibone tukwasaganya kurundi takare we have best comedians all over Western Uganda musima shuko na Mr. Kabaka and the entire team ya Nkore Comedy Limited za YouTube hona overround subscribing when a party yawe they can come through and entertain you. Wole sire Flavia okajata ijanye shongore rabajeni banje aturu muntu kuza music center feminist nani kuta feminist ateje shayija yatandika kweshongora wataho business yaba sister Chari
Nuwachokole bintu
kurugombo toko inemesheka teko choko mweshongo
apana
akwa watu jizine cha media chikachitari
apana mazima
ibintu byo gutara bitari munach
hasa na hatu wande banorengo gutara mazima butu buru because hatkangambye
ati nyona kubugana hari ntaka kurebaga I see someone
working kazi wo mu cyaro ayinengendo mufamu
narabura abira ubunakoro mu banka size bank era ninga
hati ndiyo nyine kizobona ba video directors banje dress code
nananye ngino buziboniye
in fact
you know
but at least there is over nakugambira obuzibwa hikuti so I am learning.
Okay
guys ba fans banje nimbasha bamazima I will reach there. Okay. I will reach there Beyazini nakira kunyita ajaba gicishani mutwetera nanda kora nkafuraya manke kinjire kakondo office
so yeah I know so ati Flavia ayijata kugira ngo kandi hati kankore disco
hati Flavia go kureba ninjiragambira abantu ngo bareke unyeta gospel artist Flavia ashitama mukwezi kwa kashatu
mwaka
manya wabanda bojanga byanjye biri mu favor yarahanga babo bojanga bahura music yanje everywhere they think I've been in the industry
doshago ine myaka 5
omukwa kashatu ebiro mwenda omukwa kabiri nkaba mpereze kusigninga contract my new contract eyinyine hati ya radio na TV omukwa kashatu mba ndiyaho shitamire yo munju yanje nteka the word that came in my head was ngambechi nyowe ona mukama ngambechi nyowe fuzi
wijuka story yona
yes nyowe fuzi obagurizo mwitaka obagurize entebo zona bakazihezaho ota kumanya nyine otaronkire owakomera hameza nakabura konka owabira taru wariyo komo mpithiri hata ine ariyo naza masters ati nkanye ngambechi otakashabaga murumo oba takabingaga oba takatagana mu disciplinary committee ngambechi orukora shoza kijuza nyo ngambechi baida okangambire nore music nyo ntwire ninkora shows ntakabire artist abantu bija kureba Flavia cyangwa ngo abagambire ngo bantu mwe mumera kajuma rero bashashura sene I've been
bashashura event successful
bashashura nkakora event ibanda 2023 omukwa mukaga nkakora sente 4.2 aha gate in fact ejo show bakampana medal ya the best indoor show host
wow
2023 nkakora sente na milioni nane metwaraga bakabana bashashure metwarage and they came nkantine mweshongozi
akari Flavia
wenka and people came so atebyo nakuna bazina janta ngambe really
amen
so na koreche shongo nache handikira shamwenda nyoni nyimuka shaba nobu kwa ndiyo mbidura nikunga makebidura abantu baja kushina na ronda guys me I'm not a safety na interviews nezinda kozire I tell these people just support me the way I am mutija kunshanga ndiyo ni nywanka nkakata skylight kwa
tyo wagusa
nyowe I am an inspirational singer.
Yes, nchona nyenda kugambira abantu.
I do inspirational music, not gospel.
Tori murokore.
Ngwenda kubera rahanga.
Nanye niko.
So nuko na joiningira byo music. Nahandika na ronda producer yanshoreze cyeshongoro. My mind was telling me ngutine kundasimera hanga. Shana natere cyeshongoro kikaguma spreading message yanje
kuko kurwe makote kategoti nimbasa kuza microphone
nyesho ndukuronda wote nganda basa kuza because nkani nyangira kari yanje I used never to love my voice abo kwa bakazi brothers banje yes kandi obwete bwa radio kurgo mbwana my brothers used to tell me mene nkiyo woryo munju na boyfriend umuntu akemera heru mbaje nkwarimo bashija babiri so it used to cause me kwanga irakariya so nkama yangunyora karahango wabashije in 2018 ndi hande jito I met Rage omunso nyono omuntu wabanze kunja ngo I can sing
kurugubaho
kuyihanza because no mukanisa kateshongora no mukerezi nkanteshongora no mukwaya yishomero nkanteshongora I was just mute ndya so n'ekigambo kweshongora kikakitakabo
ukora Flavia
nonka ndi nyenyine nakuyanje ekintu kinabe ninyanga n'obworo na domestic violence kinabe ninyanga. So Ray Angela ati you have a very big voice, you have a very good voice that you need to sing before you leave this world. Mugira nti nyonko muzindaro goha ogundaze kwita, how do I even start?
Ray Jaka kujati you can sing
atota kafire tukaturuka tete wajioni atota kafire utakarjo magara genseji make sure ngo washonga nango cyashongorechi oba cyaravu oba cyaki ekikuru you just go on studio oshoze cyashongorechi nubwo botongire ati nubwo rumanye kikugamba yo nacergaho 2018 nzire kweshongora 2024 kandi nabo 2024 ebya regi bikabyandijira mu mutwe hakubona ngora interview ngwe kubyijuka so naza omu studio nashoze cyashonga cyane cyangambe ki omu 2 days kuba kitire ndi muswaga wawe yakitaha YouTube nyutina kinabe nimanya
ibikuru byaza yo nuko
in fact nobura hati kongamwe nembabazi
ninye ndikucera kukanga
so na bakitaho in 2 days akiro cya kashatu nkaba nyine 1k nyowenda kumana 1k cyo kumanyisa
ngote shongoro ko
kozere shongoro nguhiti dem sagati omwana woro hoti ntihaba ucha 1k ndenebiti atoje mbikoreke so nagumizamu naye shongora kandi nyenda kugambira Beyanzi nabakutureba ngo mbanta bakubona bonero music hindum
sorry.
You people embraced my music, played my music, abana bakutocharinga nkankira hostinga artists ntakabire artists na hati ninchiba hostinga they tell you challenges manyabo presenter banshaba ma producer ya nanda kumva yeretinga nyowe yaba kuba kunde bareba ki hine nakubasa kujata madamu wanogamba ki
buwagwisi
wagwan hine kiba kukigamba
wakirebeti
abantu ba radio mutirebye shongoro byanje abaza TV abaza online nkoko muryaho you have really blessed me, you have made me love music industry. I am not regretting and I'm promising to keep serving you right.
Ati actually ni ndani yo mweshongozo okubanza abayine gospel song kupapo mingo made in Mbara
nyongo manye byeshongoro byanje ati njo kumadira ngo arije ujeta gospel because me myself manya made in Mbarara ecyeshongoro cyanje cyangambe cyo bakitera abantu bimuse mukono bazana ngira ntaba hoti abo bantu mbahura lyrics ninga bariyo mbazana zitari imbabazi and that song one special thing about that song buri kimwe cyane cyo muntu akurira omuriyejo ecyeshongoro it is about me nkaceye shongoro
shongora
about my story. Life true story abazire banje bakatwarwa kuruzitari mbabazi tinabeniza gukora urugomo buto bwanje because ebyo byona ninchereza kuruzitari mbabazi nabo ntako kandi nchongera kushininga. That's what I can promise you.
I know Flavia must shine.
Flavia must shine omuringo gwona umurungi gwona I will serve abafumbo right ebe byanje mbe mberekere my time is buri za interview bambuze and nanye Dr. Mucho kubagarakamu kubagira ngo marriage has no expiry date.
I know
marriage has no expiry date because there are so very many people abunyi inspiring jire abafumbo kandi ntari umufumbo. I have never been married ngo nazayo nargayo. I have never been attached to someone or to a certain family. I am here as how I am. And I enjoy serving couples and meeting couples and sharing with them because it's my passion.
I share a student to Joara Masut.
Aza turahachi.
Hey! So mwana wanje follow Terezo kwesi.
Aza turahache kongamwe n'ibintu bya marriage ebi na mnongi itaba kwa bato bire obigenda hompora.
I know
abo kuba nkeze shaha ofuzo buna kutebeza obunda biremu obwamukatato bwebitu byombigere nebinde bintakugambira hano agiyabira nkozesa. I remember nyewe ntakamanyire ngo omuntu nazo periods I used to wash her clothes tukatubyamo mukikurarije bukishesha ampereze ibintu bijure blood derinyozi hati nyibuza kubukekiro ubwo mukazi bamukoraje what happens at night. So ebyo bitine kinkumanya ebyo bintu byona kubikora aha myaka mwenda it's a torture kandi aho nkoma kubaje ngumani nyijuka namwe abantu bona bara anda kahaba mu radio abo managinga kahaba mu NGO yanje kahaba mu life yanje niwe Beazine turebanire. I don't hurt people. I avoid hurting people. In fact mbyafayo I don't have exes because I don't give you a chance yo kuseparating na nyumbubi
kunyiga kusanga
nareba ngo ibintu tubikuzakora nkabiringuriza ndemechkumekare
be my friend
konganyo you can't be my friend. You are not my friend and you're not my enemy, you're just a person.
I just know it.
So ninyerinda kusasa abantu because of cancer. Very many people ask tukumkaza turanasheka. Yes, agama shemerwa gumukureba this smile yimukureba I've created it by myself. One day when made in Barara I am ndiyo ninye shashuza
no yaho busasa
wanshanga aha food mat ndukuriya ka lunch please
let me be
I hear this lady inamaryo takashwerwa my dear you want to kambasa but me I am a happy woman. I want to have a happy husband, produce happy kids, raise happy children. You know
Flavia tukwirira kuhendera do you see yourself no yereba rukupushinga career ya music as a career ninga no enda kumenya music unokora reka abantu banje mbashemeze.
One thing I want to tell the public, music is not my business. Music is my passion. That's why anyway I don't count music as my business. Nayo mera hari yankeshongora abantu bakatera umungaro. It's my jana. That's my heaven.
You've got what you want.
What I want. Wanyeta hamkoro gwawe nkeshongora abantu bakashemerwa. That is enough. So I want to keep it because it is my passion. Whether there is money, whether there is no money. And I promise I will keep giving you good videos because I am working.
Yes.
I will facilitate my videos. I will use good productions. Shows the music nunji. I don't care what I will get from that project. What I care is consumption.
Abachachi.
That's my goal.
Bagarukaho nyuma watebezaho ngoke naganjuro mu rurekano ningasho mu rwese yakaro. Do you see yourself getting back to politics as a leadership ninga ukabizamu?
As long as I'm still in media, I'm not in politics. Because if you kwenda kukora ndiyo politics, nimbikora ndiyo media.
Right now uri muno serving.
Yes.
So what is your media? Politics.
I will not think about politics. And in fact nana obuna benizo politics, I wanted to leave media. Okoshangu abantu bariyo banyugwa. I am too much of facts and truth.
Okay, yeah.
Too much of it, by the way. Amazima ganje ni minji. So nkabandeba ubuntu bukugira buti njante let me go to politics and clear this.
And I clear.
But now I have airtime. Posting next time we shall come and discuss about other burning issues at hand.
Yeah.
I want to tell you ebinkwenda kukola ndiyo parliament ndiyo nimbikora hati ndiya. Because I'm making ndiyo ninyebesa abantu ebizibu byabo. I have told you I've created employment because I now have people binemera maba kushashurwa. Abantu bariyo banyesiga with their millions of money. Umuntu kwata the whole station akajikuta mu ngaro. It's
A multi-billion
business. You know, hata hivyo viona. Why should I go back to politics? Kunde na benye ndonda sente nkazitunga. Kunde na benye ndakuhereza abantu, I have the platform. What I am focusing at is to keep my brand clean.
Wow.
Yes.
Maybe mnonga bakutureba ari Nkore Media. Do you time you want to go beyond here? Konka what you know we shall be having time to garuke tayari. Ati tuje kumuta obuto amanya profile tukama media personnel ni Roya tubasa kuja kutaya isa Roya.
Yes.
Roya Flavi.
We can talk about so many things because, for example, now we have issues that are raising. We have incest cases, they are raising at a high speed. We have child negligence, they are raising at high speed. People are divorcing now and then, and we need to know.
Ati
na muriyo munjira shwerwa chi ndukureba mbasiba desk yanje bakuronda divorce. But please get married. If you get a chance you get someone, get married. But people have been asking me every interview, is she married? Who is the husband? My dear friends, me, I am still me, but I am not searching.
Echo kiyoke mtateganisa anti wanje kandi nanye yashemerirwe nini mangu nanye nambugana nishemerirwe. Otherwise, may we have your last words to our viewers, bafans bawe, banywane bawe, bafune bigambo byawe byamuheru tuhendere, and we see how we can get you another time.
Thank you, Beanzin. Echo kubanza, doing good costs nothing. Echa kabiri, utariebwaho orugire. Echa kashatu, wabo takumanya ho orugire tokamanya ho orikuze. That's what I can tell them.
Ebyebyo
okukora je costs nothing. Tukoreje utariebwaho orugire, wabo takumaho kuruga tokamanya ho orikuze.
Ebigambo ebyo tinkubasa kubigarukamo kandi twaba twine Flavia Akajuma nibyo tukumweta nomweshongozi media personnel presenter Roya anti wanje echo muchikwate mnonga anti wanje tubakunda mnonga on camera habaro of Savage kandi azubairo mwana adyawo promota mto mnonga kandi ari anda Nkore Media nawe mubene mumanya Honorable D Muswaga ningashi Ronald Bataringa yabamwizi mutakamwebwa arimunaija, and of course I wanna say hi manager Hudson turi na Yesu manager wa Tipo kandi na waba arimunaija ko side za Bwampara munywani wanje nakura muse munonga bo baregumano watching ibintu byitu. Otherwise we love you so much. Feel Nkore, this is Nkore Media.